Wishing you all a happy Holi. Welcome to the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. During this briefing, we will discuss about the ongoing hot weather as well as thunderstorm activity over different parts of the country. If you talk about the past 24 hours, widespread rainfall has been observed over Jammu Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. Apart from that, isolated rainfall activity observed over particularly Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, West Rajasthan, Andaman, Nicobar, and some parts of Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura as well. Heat wave to severe wave condition has been occurred at one or two places over Saurashtra, Kutch, and heat wave condition over particularly over Vidarbha and Gujarat area. Hailstorms also observed over some parts of West Uttar Pradesh, Gangtok, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, and East Rajasthan. If we talk about the synoptic condition, particularly weather system, the western disturbance now seen as a cyclonic circulation over central Afghanistan, adjacent Pakistan, between 3.1 and 7.6 km above mean sea level. Apart from that, the cyclonic circulation that over the southeast Rajasthan that persists over the same region, but now seen at 1.9 km above mean sea level. Apart from that, a trough runs from Punjab to southwest Rajasthan at 1.5 km above mean sea level. A cyclonic circulation lies over East Assam and neighborhood at 0.9 km above mean sea level. If we talk about because of this weather system, we are anticipating heat wave to severe heat wave condition likely to continue over parts of Odisha during 14th to 17th and over Vidarbha during 14 to 16, heat wave condition likely over Chhattisgarh 14 to 15, Jharkhand 14 to 17, Gangetic West Bengal 15 to 17. That means starting from today till 17th, some parts of eastern India likely to get heat wave condition during the next 3-4 days. Apart from that, due to the WD as well as cyclonic circulation of northeastern state over Assam, fairly widespread to widespread rainfall, snowfall, isolated heavy spell likely over western Himalaya region, also over Arunachal Pradesh. And apart from that, we are anticipating thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind and hail over some parts of the plains of northwest India. If you talk about the maximum temperature are in the range of 40 to 42 degree over many places of Vidarbha, Odisha, Saurashtra and Kutch, and isolated places over Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Rayalaseema during past 24 hours. If we talk about the temperature forecast, particularly northwest India, there will be no large change in maximum temperatures during next 24 hours. However, there will be fall by 2 to 3 degree in subsequent 3 days, and thereafter it will again rise by 3 to 4 degree thereafter. If you talk about particularly East India, that is Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, this belt there will be likely to rise by 2 to 3 degree at many places during next 3 days and no large change thereafter. But for the Gujarat and North Marathwada in particular, there will be no large change 24 hours, but fall by 2 to 3 degree thereafter. And remaining parts of the country, there will be no large change in maximum temperature during the next 3 to 4 days. If we talk about the heat wave condition, particularly Odisha likely to get a heat wave to severe heat wave condition during next 3 to 4 days. Apart from that, isolated heat wave condition over some districts of Odisha as well, particularly interior parts of Odisha and interior and western parts of Odisha likely to get most affected because of this heat wave spell. Particularly for the Vidarbha also, some parts of likely to get many places of heat wave condition likely over during next 24 and intensity likely to reduce gradually in subsequent 2 days. Apart from that, from tomorrow onwards, there is a possibility of heat wave condition at isolated parts of West Bengal, particularly from 15 to 17, for Jharkhand during next 4 days, that is 14 to 17, and particularly for the coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema, we are anticipating a heat wave condition likely during next 2 days. If we talk about the warning, particularly the weather system with the thunderstorm lightning due to the western disturbance, we are anticipating thunderstorm lightning and rainfall as well as gusty wind hail likely over some parts of plains of northwest India, particularly Rajasthan, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, likely during next 24 hours, and heavy rainfall likely at isolated places over Jammu and Kashmir. And in Arunachal Pradesh, very likely to get isolated heavy rainfall activity along with thunderstorm lightning gusty wind during next 4 to 5 days. Apart from that, if you look at day 2 in particular, the heavy rainfall spell likely to continue over Jammu and Kashmir, and fresh spells likely to start over Himachal Pradesh on day 2. But thunderstorm lightning, gusty wind and hail likely to continue for day 2 as well for some parts of plains of northwest India, that is Rajasthan, Haryana, Uttarakhand, as well as the western UP and both east and west Rajasthan. And thunderstorm lightning, gusty wind hail some parts of northeastern states as well likely to continue for day 2 as well. Rainfall activity likely to very isolated heavy rainfall activity very likely over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand on day 3, that is on 16th, but thunderstorm likely to gusting likely to continue over plains of northwest India on day 3 as well, and northeastern states as well. If you talk about day 4, that is 17th, the rainfall spell likely to reduce over the plains of northwest India, but east will be likely to get isolated thunderstorm activity on day 4, that is 17th, but northeastern state is likely to continue for the and a fresh thunderstorm activity spell likely over southern peninsula India, that is Kerala and Tamil Nadu on day 4, and for day 5 it will continue over Tamil Nadu and Kerala and also Arunachal Pradesh as well as Assam. If you talk about the day 6 and day 7, particularly Odisha likely to get hot and humid condition on day 6, day 7. Remaining parts of the country, no warning has been issued. And for detailed information, directly log into mausam.imd.gov.in. Also, you can follow us X, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you. Namaskar.